Sir, you're charged with criminal trespass. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. Looks like your case is extremely old. It's 714 days old, sir. They've given you multiple PR bonds. I guess we should be happy that you made it to court. Okay. Please.
Mr. Judge, on October 25th of 2022, HPD officers conducted a trespass investigation at the Icon gas station located at 7997 West Airport Boulevard in Harris County, Texas. Officers advised that the location has an active trespass affidavit in effect. Officers advised that they observed the defendant standing on the property next to a posted no trespass sign. Officers advised that they also made contact with the complainant, an employee of the gas station, who advised the defendant was trespassing at the location.
Had he been previously warned not to be there? Or was it just a no trespassing sign and he just goes there for the first time? Sure, take your time.
Right here, the judge is piecing things together, and notice the shift. Up until now, it looked like a simple trespass case. But the moment the officer mentions the defendant refused diversion, the judge starts questioning the bigger picture. Watch how the tension rises. This is where a routine hearing starts turning into something way more complicated.
So, Judge, it's the defendant and multiple other males. There's a active trespass affidavit on file. They approach this defendant. They find marijuana on him after they detain him. They ask him multiple times if he would be willing to participate in the marijuana diversion program. He refused several times. But I don't see anything.
No priors?
I don't see anything about the complainant.
So, look, when you show up to court, good things happen. I'm going to find no probable cause in your case now. But I want you to understand, you are now on notice. You can't go back to this gas station. Stop. You can't go there anymore. If you go there again, they're going to arrest you for criminal trespass. I'm finding no probable cause now because I don't see that the prior warning was issued. But I am issuing the warning to you now. If you go back there today, tomorrow, next week, next year, they're going to arrest you for trespass.
Just get caught. Just get caught. He can probably trespass.
Mr. Lucy, listen, it's not a discussion. They have the right to tell you they don't want you there, and they don't want you there. Find another place to go to. Now I'm going to find no probable cause. You're free to go. Okay?
And I'm filing dismissal now, Judge.
All right, man. Take care.
All right, so I'm good.
And show up to court. Show up to court. Morning, Mr. Campbell. How's jail?
Very good.
Good. That makes me happy. You know, what I find at least, the worse of an experience you have, the higher likelihood you have of actually, when you get out into the free world, of thinking about consequence, because that's what we want everybody to do. Think before you act, think before you speak, because you never know when it's your last time. All I know now is that you're wanted out of another state. You're wanted out of the state of Arizona, specifically Maricopa County, for manslaughter, 2 counts of aggravated assault and endangerment. Day,
Yes, Judge.
tell me about Mr.
That's all I have so far. I do show a Georgia state ID, which I didn't see at first, but I don't see any history. Originally, I believe this is only offense, but because of the severity of the offense and with the warrant stating that while there is $150,000.
And boom, here's the twist. At exactly this moment, the judge discovers the Arizona warrant for manslaughter and aggravated assault. This is a major escalation. One second, the guy is walking out of court free on a trespass case. The next second, he's tied to a homicide investigation. Audience, what would you do if your vacation flight suddenly ends in a felony arrest like this?
Bond is that they're requesting no bond until he's in front of a magistrate within their state. And so because of the severity of the offense and the risk of flight is that state requests no bond for this defendant.
Is this a to-be?
This is to be judge. It was issued out on September 25th, 2024.
Okay. And the bond over there is at 150,000.
150, but they will not permit it to be honored until he goes in front of a magistrate within their court.
Okay. Do you know what the manslaughter is about?
No, I don't have the probable cause affidavit, but if you're looking for specifics, I can request it from the DA's office, but I don't have it at this time. I just know that the charges are valid.
Do you have anything that you'd like to add?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Campbell actually hired an attorney, is known about the investigation, so this was not an instance where he's trying to run. The attorney told him they could take a family vacation. So he was arrested at a connecting flight in Houston with his wife and 3 children. So he wasn't trying to run. He was going on a family vacation. His attorney there told him
We were on the way to the,
to the family. He doesn't live in Houston.
be going.
So essentially, he gets arrested in the connecting flight process. He's not from Houston. He is ready, willing, and able to go back to Arizona. He's got his attorney set up there. If he gets out, it's not like he's legitimately gonna stay at a hotel and then the next day get on like a bus, because we talked about the flight problem. And he has a vested interest going back. He's 41 years old. I think he has a license case from like 15 years ago, nothing else. Wife, 3 kids in Arizona. He's got 2 prior children in Georgia, but he has like a family life and a business in Arizona, lives there. So he absolutely wants to get back to Arizona. And with that in mind, we would be requesting a bond here so that he can just go back and turn himself in.
No, Mr. Campbell, I really value my city and I want to protect everybody I can for as long as I can, because the last thing I want is more death, more destruction. And you're wanted for something where there's a dead body.
Oh, sorry, Judge. It just pulled up just now. So Trey is correct. There was a suspended license, but he also had a prior hit and run and failure to stop and return to scene, which seems aligned with the manslaughter and 2 accidents with the vehicle and the
Is that
driver.
with this case or another
No,
case?
sorry, Judge. This is back in Georgia. So after the license suspension, there are 2 cycles, hit and run, failure to return to scene. There's also a DWI back in 2014.
Wow. Continues to happen.
I don't know what happened to that one though. It just,
You want me to set you a bond? Really?
I had to run the state ID
Can I
when it popped up on the other side.
Yes, absolutely.
Sir, those cases were like thrown out. I didn't, whatever he had.
This is the moment where everything snaps into focus. The judge isn't buying the misunderstanding explanation, especially after hearing about past hit-and-run DUI issues. Notice the tone. She shifts from neutral to protective, emphasizing public safety. This is classic courtroom tension, the judge weighing one man's story against a trail of serious allegations. What do you think? Fair decision or too harsh?
There, the DWI, I never had a DUI. With the hit and run business, that wasn't it.
How do I know that? Am I supposed to take your word for it?
For that thing, my car was stolen, sir. And then they assumed that, just like how here they're assuming that I'm trying to run from.
No. No one's assuming that you're running. No one's assuming that you're running. All we know is that you are wanted out of Arizona, where there's 2 aggravated assaults and there's a manslaughter. So there's a dead body, right? And you also have priors out of another state where there's alleged DWIs and you running from the scene. So my problem is that I have no idea what the circumstances of the manslaughter are. How do I know you didn't shoot someone? How do I know you didn't run someone over in a car at a parade? And so it would be really just dangerous for me to really give you a bond and just let you go when I don't know how dangerous you are. Do you know what I mean? That's just, it's logic. As much as I'd like to get you back to Arizona as quick as possible, Mr. Campbell, you scare me. How soon can we get Arizona to come pick him up?
I don't know, Your Honor. I mean, well, for him, because he originally waived the magistrate, I know they've
So
already.
he's waived.
Yes, I believe he waived 2 days ago when he went to.
Great.
Yes, so I believe the notice was already sent out.
Typically, the way it works is once you waive, we give that jurisdiction 2 weeks to come get you. Now, sometimes there are circumstances that they might want an extension for a day or two at the max 3. But by and large, they're pretty good at getting that jurisdiction to come get you within the next 2 weeks. And then we give you a free ride back to Arizona where you can answer to those charges. Now, like he said, they're willing to set you a bond. Now, it's going to be a high bond, but you got to get there first. And me, I just don't feel comfortable giving you a bond. I don't know you. I know you're telling me it's little bunnies jumping in the woods, but I really just don't know you. All I know is that there's a trail of destruction, and I don't want any more. That's it. Do you understand? Okay. So, I'm sorry, Shreya. I
No
can't.
worries, I just want to make sure there's nothing else you want the judge to know about the bond before we discuss issues.
Now, if you're able to post bond, if you're able to get your family to post a bond in Arizona, then they can release this hold and then we'll let you out. But I don't know if that's going to happen, right? Arizona wants you there before they're going to set you bond, is what they've said. So, but you know, you never know until you try. The worst they can say is no. You have a lawyer, perhaps he can go get you a bond there. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck, Mr. Campbell. Donnelly.
Yeah, I was
I'm sorry.
cut off for.
I know. I'm sorry. Sorry. Again. Fritter, come on up. How are you, Mr. Fritter?
I'm okay.
What are we doing?
So, there were bond conditions that he be tested on Tuesday, Thursday. We came,
It's too close. It's
right, so we came Thursday of last week, and they were taken off. So now he doesn't have any bond conditions of testing. That's what.
okay. So we need to put him back on.
Back on,
Okay.
Monday, Thursday now.
So what's the matter, Mr. Fritter?
Monday I was supposed to have counseling, so that's why we were doing it Tuesdays.
But the test was, no, I will figure it out. I got that.
Mr. Fritter, I still have to drug test you.
Yes, I know.
Okay? If you can show me after a while that you've got it under control, then we can modify it. But for now, I want to test you to make sure that you're not using.
Okay.
That's it.
All right, so we just need you to order.
We'll do the bond, so Monday, Thursday, and then the anger management classes, and that's it. Okay? When was the last time he tested? Thursday?
Thursday.
Okay, we're gonna send you now for one, and then we'll see you next week. We'll set him off to Monday for next
For
week.
Monday?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Mr. Fritter, you all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. Have fun. Or he said he was using his,
The council, he's going on Monday next.
okay, done. But
I also have Mr. Gonzalez Martinez.